Welcome back to the channel, and today we're at Hidden Valley RC Crawler Course. In the previous series, we watched other trucks traverse the course. Now it's time for Igneous the Ridgerock.
Yeah, I'm not trying to climb down that Hey Fred, how are you?
I'm doing good.
You still got the stock motor in it, right?
Yeah, it's still stock motors.
Very quiet. Dude, you know I found out? So I bought a tech deck.
Pero la cremita esa tiene ese plástico por lo menos.
¿Ah?
No, no, estaba con la batería.
Oh, but it's so fun. My dad likes riding my around. I go around town, stop the bar, you're a little day one. You literally follow the rules, you stop where you need to stop, you let them know where you're going to go, and then, like, I don't even wear a helmet, really. They don't know right, so you stand up on your bike. So your feet aren't touching the ground. You're ready to go. He's holding it down, ready? And then as soon as them gates stop, they let go, you take off. And it just funnels into like a tight turn, a trail no wider than the tree to me that you got to get through.
Right.
And there's 50 other bikes coming out too. So I was out in front and it was all muddy and it turned right away. First turn of the race. I hit in, I'm coming in, I slide on the ground, bent my shifter, bent everything. So all the like the campers who camp there, they come running out with hammers and stuff, start banging on my bike, try to straighten it out. Cause they all want you to race. Right, yeah. So everyone comes out and helps you. And then they bend it back and I'm like, oh shit. They start my bike from me, they give me water, and I'm out again. That's really racing is fun. Yeah. Down there it's fun, and just fun to walk. It's like going on a drag strip in that case. Yeah. Yeah, I just started with all this stuff. Yeah, they got all sides. Yeah, it's how you're ¿Quieres para allá abajo? No te puedes carajo en la tapia. Fuerza. No le salvo. ¡Ay, papito! Mira, mira, mira cómo hace. Cansado, ¿cómo es? Cansado. No, pero que tiene ese tipo para otra cosa. ¿Por qué? ¿Me viene con los de llave? Sí, yo...
Trex 305 with Magnaflow bump. So it's right there.
Whoop.
What's that on a mini capra?
No, this is a RedCat.
Oh,
Danchee Ridgerock.
wow, really?
Yeah.